Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change languages on the T-Mobile app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change languages. Maybe you want to change it to Spanish or to your native language. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the gear icon. Then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says App Language. So this is where you can actually toggle between English and Spanish. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your language on the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.